My name is Hena Diredoble and I'm going to recite the rights guaranteed during custodial investigation. Right to counsel. The person has the right to competent and independent choice. Independent choice. Ulit. My name is Hena Diredoble and I'm going to recite the rights guarantee during custodial investigation. First, right to counsel. The person has the right to competent and independent counsel with their choice. If they cannot afford one, a lawyer must be provided. No custodial investigation shall proceed without counsel. Right to be informed of right. They must be informed of their right in a language or dialect they must understand at the time of the arrest and before questioning. Right to remain silent. They cannot be compelled to testify against themselves. Protection against self-incrimination. Right against torture. Right against torture, force, or violence. Any use of threat, intimidation, coercion, or violence to extract a confession or information is illegal and inadmissible in court. Right to confidential communication with counsel. Communication between the person and their lawyer must be private and confidential. Right to visit and confer privately. The following must have the right to visit and confer privately with the person. Any member of their immediate family, medical doctors or priests or minister chosen by them or their family, NGO representative duly accredited by law. Next is right to notify family or relative. The person has the right to have their family, relative, or friend notified the situation immediately after arrest or detention. Last is right to free assistance. Indigent person under custodial investigation must provided free and competent legal assistance, usually from public attorney's office.